One last example. ABC are points defined by the position vectors ABC respectively, where we have the three vectors in Cartesian form. Calculate the magnitude of angle ABC. Now this has a star because it's a little bit different. Recommend drawing a sketch. So vector A, 1, 3. So doesn't have to be to scale. So that's vector A. B is 2, 1. Let's put it about there. And C is 1, negative 2. Forgot to put B. So 1, negative 2. Now it's asking to calculate the magnitude of angle ABC. So that's the angle it wants. So what I need to do is I need to find vector BA and I need to find vector BC. Then I can use my dot product. So I've just written that from diagram, need angle between BA and BC. So let's work that out. BA is A minus B, I plus 3J minus 2I plus J. I take 2I is negative I. 3J take J is plus 2J. BC is going to be C minus B. So that's going to be I minus 2J take 2I plus J. I take 2I is negative I. Negative 2J take J is negative 3J. So now I need to use my dot product. Now to make my life easier to be able to refer to, I'm going to make that vector D and that vector E, just so it's easier to refer to. Now I want my cos theta out the front because I want to find my angle. So there's my formula. I now know I need to find the magnitude of each of those vectors. So magnitude of vector D is going to be the square root of negative 1 all squared plus 2 squared. 1 plus 4 is 5, so square root of 5. Magnitude of E is going to be the square root of negative 1 all squared plus negative 3 all squared. So that's 1 plus 9 is 10. So square root of 10. Plug in our information. So we've got negative 1 times negative 1. So just so you can see what I'm doing, negative 1 times negative 1. And then we're going to go 2 times negative 3. All over the square root of 5 times by the square root of 10. So negative 1 times negative 1 is 1. 2 times negative 3 is a negative 6. 1 take 6 is a negative 5. So negative 5, square root of 5 times the square root of 10 is the square root of 50. And I'm running out of room, so theta is going to be inverse cos of negative 5 over the square root of 50, and that gives me approximately 135 degrees. Does that make sense? Looking at our diagram, that theta looks to be obtuse, so that makes sense with 135 degrees. Finish with our answer. So therefore, angle ABC is equal to 135 degrees.